Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Balkan Cuisine. Today we're gonna make potato with eggs. For this simple meal we're just gonna need potatoes, 2 eggs, salt and oil. Step number 1, crack the eggs. Add some salt and mix. Cut these potatoes on tiny slices. These slices shall be as tiny as possible. Add some oil. Now we are frying eggs and they should be fried for around like 15 to 20 minutes. And we should end up in frying like this. Add eggs. Now stir these things. Mix everything for like 3 minutes. This is after 3 minutes and that was enough. If you wish, you can add up some mayonnaise. I think it's a very good choice, and this goes very well with tomatoes, but I don't have them now. So this is how it looks like. And this was my helper tonight, who peeled potato, put eggs inside, and who is trying now. And how is it from 1 to 10?
8.
Yeah, 1 out of 10, it should be 8. So this was our first mini recipe, which you can make quickly. That's for breakfast or for dinner. Thank you for watching and see you next time.